Welcome to the next lesson. So this video we will complete overview of the Shopify dashboard. So welcome to the lesson where we will take a complete tour of the Shopify dashboard, whether you are beginner or someone exploring Shopify for the first time. This overview we will help you understand how to navigate the platform and manage your store efficiently. So if you see, there have Shopify have 4 sections. Suppose homes, this and discount, which is first section. Then you see sales channel, this is another section, and have another section which is called apps, and finally have the settings. So Shopify is set up for a business or using this platform for 4 step. Okay, for e-commerce, you home or discount one section, you can manage this. I will explain it well. And then online sales channel, apps and settings. So home dashboard, when you first log in into your Shopify admin panel, you are greeted with the home dashboard. Okay, here you will see important updates, all updates from Shopify, a summary of your store performance, and notification and recommendation. This area helps you stay informed about your store at glance. If I suppose clicks the home, you see this is my home. You can see later your all interface here. Okay, summary, this is this is our new store, that's why it's showing like this. Second part is orders. Click on the orders tab from the left side there. This section allow you to view all customers orders, manage order status, unfilled, fulfillment, etc, and create manual order, then view abandoned checkout. This is where you will process and manage every sales made on your store. So basically you can see here your store order. Suppose someone purchase your product, you can see here your order list. You can manage your order fulfillment. You can submit your product for shipping, like this process. And then I hope you understand this process. Next have the products. If I click here, so it is our new option, you see, which is tell add your product for your store. So I will tell you later how it will show. So the product section is where you manage your inventory. You can add new product, organize them into collection or category, manage inventory levels, add product variants, price and SEO information. There's also a separate tab for transfer inventory, collection and gift card. Also you see all the have collection, inventory, purchase order, transfers, gift card, catalog. So here you can manage your products all details. So number 4 is customer, which is in the customer section you will see list of everyone who has interacted with your store. You can view customer profile, segment customer based on behavior, add notes or tags. This helps you understand and build relationship with your audience. So you can create also campaign here. Next have the content. So if I click here content, you can upload your all files here. Suppose you restore image, logo, banner, like this. You can create menu. Also you can set up your here blog post-its. So analytics, Shopify provides detailed report. In the analytics section you will find overview dashboard with key metrics like sales, seasons and conversation rate, report on customer behavior, finance, marketing and more. Live view of visitor currently on your store. Use the use this data to improve your strategy and grow your business. So you can see all the reports analytics here. Next have the marketing part. So the marketing tab lets you create and track campaigns directly inside Shopify. You can set up email marketing, create automation, integrate with platform like Google, Facebook and TikTok. This helps you bring traffic to your store and convert visitor into customers. So I hope you understand. You see campaign and automation already have. If I click the discount here, so in the discount section you can create discount code and automatic discount customization like percentage or fixed discount, buy one get one, like this discount, minimum purchase rule, uses limited and expiration date. These are great for running sales and promotion. So I will talk later about the sales channel. Okay, I will show you how to sales channel this. If I click this sales channel here, you see have a drop down menu. You just simply click here, you see all the list. So suppose your online store it not comes, you just simply click here online store and it is showing up like this. So sales channel section allow you to sell on your online store, have Shopify posts. So we are not talking about Shopify posts, which is physical stores. So we just introduce online store. So you see have a view your online store. This is, if I click here, this is our store. Okay, so its default look like here have a logo, menu bar, search bar, customer login, cart option, a banner and have feature product, which is very simple interface, and have email subscribe option, and last have a footer section. Okay, so if I back, you can see here have a themes also. So under sales channel online store you can customize your theme, edit pages and navigation, which is this one. This is navigation, and create pages. Suppose I click the contact, this is our pages. You see the URL, like these pages you can edit or customize on your create and manage domain option. So it is now update, you can choose preferences. So if I click this, you see your stores have password protection like this. You can set up easily. You can set up the home page title, meta description for how locates for social sharing, image and SEO, Google, like this showing. And another option have apps. So if I click the apps, you see default have one apps flow. We can integrate many type of apps. So we needed many feature, extra feature. If you need like upsell, downsell, like this, and also product review, we can manage or integrate here. Okay, apps. Last have the finally section is settings section, is at the bottom left of the dashboard. Here you can control your general store details. If I click here, you can update your general details, your billing address. Okay, checkout setting, tax, shipping, notification and more. This is the control center for your store backend operation. Okay, so I hope you understand. So we will talk step by step how we can manage the settings, plan, billing, user and permission, checkout, customer account. We can set up location, market, domain also we can set up, many kind of things. So I hope you understand how it is help you. So finally we are click the here, this is our store. So you can check here one by one everything. I hope you understand this video.